What are you watching?
What are you watching? Elodie, le film!
The City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments, Dubai, a tale of unparalleled disappointment. As I stepped into the grand entrance of the City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments, Dubai, I couldn't help but feel a sense of excitement and anticipation. My family and I had been looking forward to this vacation for months, and the prospect of staying in a luxurious hotel in the heart of Dubai was a dream come true. Little did we know, our experience would be a never-ending nightmare. The first red flag was the check-in process. The reception staff, namely Shadow and Omar, were completely unprofessional. They seemed put off by our presence, as if we were an inconvenience to their day. I asked for a late checkout, and the female staff member didn't even let me finish my sentence before rejecting my request and hanging up on me. The male staff, on the other hand, were more responsive and helpful, but it was too little, too late. The seeds of doubt had already been sown. We were greeted with a dirty room, which only added to our growing frustration. The kitchen, although massive, was poorly equipped, with only 4 small teacups and some cutlery. My family and I had to ask for more, which was a hassle we shouldn't have had to endure. The room itself was dated and tired, with a dreadful road noise that made sleep impossible. And to make matters worse, we were next to a building site, which only added to the chaos. But that was only the beginning. The breakfast was a catastrophe. The reception staff, in their infinite wisdom, decided to charge us again, claiming our payment hadn't gone through. Can you imagine? We had to spend precious time sorting out their mistake, which only added to our stress levels. And when we finally got to the breakfast buffet, we were met with a sorry excuse for a meal. The food was cold, the selection was limited, and the coffee was bitter. It was as if they were trying to ruin our appetite on purpose. The bathroom was another horror story. The drainage was poor, and the room smelled of mildew. We had to ask for the bathroom to be cleaned again, which was a task that seemed to overwhelm the staff. I mean, how hard is it to clean a bathroom? It's not rocket science, people. But what really took the cake was the staff's attitude. They were arrogant, unapologetic, and condescending. It was as if they were doing us a favor by letting us stay at their hotel. The manager, when we finally got to speak to him, was more interested in covering up his staff's incompetence than actually addressing our concerns. It was a masterclass in how to make customers feel unwelcome and frustrated. As we struggled to come to terms with the sheer incompetence of the City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments, Dubai, I couldn't help but think about the underlying reasons behind this mess. Was it poor management? Understaffing? Cost-cutting measures? Whatever the reason, one thing was clear: this hotel was a disaster waiting to happen. So, dear friends, let this be a warning to you. If you value your sanity and your hard-earned money, stay far, far away from the City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments, Dubai. Trust me, you won't regret it. What do you think, dear readers? Have you had a similar experience with this hotel or any other establishment? Share your comments and stories, and let's expose these scam artists together. Oh, you know, I was just looking into scams near City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments, Dubai, and wow. Like, why do people have to be like this? It's so sad. So, businesses near City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments, Dubai, they look so nice, you know? Like, shiny and professional. But some of them, they trick you. Like, there was this one company, Rock Marine Services. Sounds fancy, right? They had an office, a website, everything. Tourists and suppliers trusted them. They ordered tons of stuff, food, electronics, even flight tickets. Paid a little bit first, then gave fake checks and poof, gone. Like, imagine delivering 2,000 kilograms of prawns and then the people just disappear? What do you even do then? Probably cry. And the police? They said, oh, it's a civil case, so good luck getting your money back. And then, oh my god, the traffic fine scam. Like, who does that? Near City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments, Dubai, you'll see these places offering discounts on fines. Sounds great, right? But no. They take your cash, pay the fine with stolen credit cards, keep half, and run. And guess what? If you did it, even if you didn't know, you could get in trouble too. Like, how unfair is that? Tourists just trying to save a little money and boom, scammed. And the worst part? It's not even rare. Businesses near City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments, Dubai, they look legit, but some just take your stuff and vanish. Like, one electronics store got an order for 159,000 Emirati dirhams, took a check and, surprise, It bounced. The people were gone. Like, how do you even sleep at night after doing that? It's just depressing. You come to Dubai, near City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments, Dubai, thinking everything's perfect, but then this happens. And the scammers? Probably living it up somewhere else while everyone else suffers. Ugh. The area surrounding City Premier Marina Hotel Apartments. It's a landscape of disappointment. Honestly, walking through the reviews, it feels less like planning a vacation and more like preparing for a series of minor, yet incredibly frustrating, inconveniences. Businesses nearby, as a whole, present themselves with a veneer of sophistication, a Dubai sheen, but beneath that, a persistent current of extraction. They seem designed to efficiently relieve you of your money, and often, your peace of mind. It's a bleak observation, I know, but the data simply doesn't lie. Let's dissect this, shall we? Let's start with the Dubai Marina Mall. Now, malls are supposed to be sanctuaries, aren't they? Places of leisure, retail therapy. But, it appears, this one operates under a shadow of unease. The consistent reports suggest a troubling pattern of predatory behavior. It seems some individuals within the mall, and even near the adjacent beaches, feel entitled to scrutinize and objectify women. Imagine being on holiday, seeking a moment of relaxation, and feeling watched, not as a customer, but as something else. One reviewer described witnessing disrespectful behavior towards women practicing yoga. It's deeply unsettling. This isn't an isolated incident either. The frequency suggests a systemic issue, a simmering undercurrent of entitlement. It leaves you wondering, what else is lurking beneath the polished surface? Then there's the financial aspect. The mall seems to have perfected the art of the hidden charge. Parking, for example. It's a classic. 80 Emirati dirhams deducted from your account with no prior warning? A calculated ambush. It's like they want you to be surprised, to feel that helpless sting of unexpected expense. They lure you in with the promise of shopping, then quietly pick your pockets. Another complaint centers around the rapid introduction of parking fees. An hour used to be enough, now it's barely sufficient. It's a slow creep of monetization, a relentless squeezing of the wallet. Even basic necessities like water filters are apparently neglected, a small detail but a testament to a general lack of care. The feeling is pervasive. They're taking advantage of tourists, relying on the assumption that you won't fight a small charge. It makes my stomach twist. Moving on, we encounter SensAsia Urban Spa. A spa. A place of tranquility, self-care. Yet, the reviews paint a very different picture. This seems to be a place where relaxation comes with a side of judgment. Apparently, you'll be assessed, critiqued, and then upsold products you didn't ask for. They judge you for everything, one reviewer put it, rather succinctly. It's deeply ironic. You're paying for pampering, but receiving a lecture instead. Beyond the judgmental atmosphere, there are issues with basic functionality, air conditioning failing during treatments, sick therapists continuing to work, even cancellations without notification. The lack of consideration is astounding. Imagine the discomfort of a massage with a coughing therapist? It completely destroys the experience. It is a violation of trust. They offer a promise of escape, but deliver only disappointment and the potential for illness. And the communication? A 2-hour wait for a WhatsApper's pods? Unacceptable. In a city that prides itself on efficiency, this level of disregard is particularly jarring. It's like they don't value your time, your business. You are an inconvenience. Even the legacy of positive experiences is tarnished. Former customers lament a decline in standards. This is a place that seems to be resting on its laurels, allowing its reputation to slowly erode. Now, let's talk about Wain by Samia. Oh, Wain by Samia. This one is complicated. It presents itself as a vibrant, social space, but underneath lies a layer of aggressive profiteering and outright rudeness. The recurring theme is a lack of transparency, arbitrary rules, and, frankly, appalling customer service. A minimum spend of 2,000 Emirati dirhams just to secure a seat? It's extortionate. They're openly prioritizing profit over hospitality. It's not a welcoming environment, it's a financial extraction point disguised as a lounge. The stories are harrowing. Guests being turned away despite empty tables, being verbally abused by staff, even witnessing unprofessional conduct, a waiter having his bottom slapped. The level of disrespect is astounding. One review detailed a confusing experience where staff changed the rules on the fly, demanding payment for services that were initially offered for free. It's a chaotic, unpredictable environment where you're constantly left feeling exploited. And the complaints about food and drink quality are also prevalent, adding insult to injury. The staff's attitude seems